Samavesha, you see, already I expressed my opinion about this is a state level celebration of third year of the government. So here we expect more than a lakh people, but the place may be congested. That is different. So there are people who are Palanubhavi, there's beneficiaries who are attending here. So they will all adjust and no problem. This Samavesha will be a grand success.
So reaction
I wish for that.
reaction about Modi foreign trips.
See, being a prime minister of the country, he has to go for the visit of the other nations also. They are also coming. We are also going. There is nothing new in that.
Sir, are you welcoming that Modi's that consumption of petrol and diesel? And
You see, it is not an order. It is not an order. It is not an order. It is only a suggestion to the people of the country. It is up to the people to accept or reject.
Sir, another one that Congress, BJP MLAs Jyoti Ganesh and Suresh Goda were telling that tomorrow's program, we are boycotting that program because of...
No. In his presidentship only the function is to be conducted here.
But they were telling boycott.
No, it is up to them. It's a politically, if they should not view this celebration as a party or keeping the opposition party away from the occasion. We are all inclusive of all the opposition MLAs and the functionaries also. It is celebrating this. Jyoti Ganesh itself, he himself is presiding over the function. What else he requests then?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You know, my personal prediction of today's program at Trivandrum, according to me, it is not by anybody's recommendations or anybody's institution. It is according to me. CM Siddaramaiah ji visiting Trivandrum and attending the meeting, the swearing ceremony of Kerala Chief Minister. So this swearing ceremony is scheduled for 10 o'clock in the morning. So it will be last by 30 minutes or 45 minutes maximum. After that, Siddaramaiah is staying back in Trivandrum, wherein our party president Kharge ji and our LOP, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji and Venugopal, everybody will be there only. So there may be some discussion about the giving permission for the expansion or reshuffle or for the change of leadership. That can be discussed today only. According to my guessing, it is not from anybody's mouth.
Sir, Tumkur rural MLA BJP Suresh Goda is
ಸೂಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು ನೀವು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
No, but see, in the event of change of leadership, I prefer Dr. Parameshwar. Even today, I stand by Siddaramaiah. If the High Command decides to change the leadership, then I prefer Parameshwar.
ಸರ್